What castle is it?
It's Dunbeath Castle.
We're definitely not at Duntoll, we're at Dunbeath, and that's the castle.
Duntilm's all the way up at the Isle of Skye, so it's definitely not here. Hello, welcome back to the channel. Since it's an absolutely glorious day, we decided to do the second beach clean of the day, and we've actually come to Dunbeath, so we're going to have a wander along the beach and see what we can find.
So yeah, if you did watch the last video, we do have separate clothes, it's just the same day. So Charlotte said it's such a nice day, we thought we'd just get out again and make the most of it and try and pick some rubbish up.
Yeah,
so, come to another beach.
Favourite walks along this coastline, and we have actually seen orca off this beach, and yeah, it was amazing to see them here. So I feel like whenever we walk down here we always like relive that encounter, and also hope that we're going to have the same encounter again. And once again, I do have shorts. I'm just wearing a really long top, it's just sometimes they ride up a little bit.
Must be the heat getting to me, I couldn't pick that one up.
It's a good one. Massive bag. It's a massive pile. That would cause some damage.
What?
put it in a pile and carry it back at the end. There is just so much stuff on this beach, and it's all just rope, entangled, pipes. We're going to try our best to get what we can get, but it's just going to be, it's just too much to try and get and carry back. It's awful. So much rope.
There's a lot of it that's just completely tangled in all the rock, and I mean, it's just literally impossible to get unless you've got tools with you.
Yeah.
That can cut through stuff. I mean, look how thick all this is. You ain't got no chance.
No. But we can only do our best.
We can get just some of the smaller bits. It's better than nothing.
It is better than nothing. But it's a pretty bad beach for all of this sort of stuff. That's massive.
The thing is, it weighs it down so quickly as well.
Yeah.
All these different things.
Weighs a ton.
Everywhere you look, there's just different rope.
There is.
It's just tangled, like everything's just tangled.
I know.
Between everything else.
We can only do our best, which we're trying to do. Think it might be time for a new bag?
I
think so. It's gonna split. It's already starting to come through the bottom. I'm not too sure it's going to tie up, to be fair. We'll just have to put it down up there and then pick it up on our walk back. We're going anything. That's going to fill this bag straight away. It's a nifty little device, this, though. If you haven't got one, they're really handy. It wasn't very expensive. It's got a little handle as well.
Snake. Weigh the bag down nice and early. So much rope.
So much rope. Again, this is going to be a bag of rope. I've got some sort of like mesh here to go in. Bucket.
Just like that, a second bag's nearly full.
I know. We've only walked about 2 meters. I don't know if that's seaweed or not. So many death traps.
Look at that pile over there.
I know, yeah. This. Oh.
Everywhere we're walking at the minute, there's bottles and rope just literally everywhere.
Everywhere. But there's no way we're moving that big pile. I don't even know what that is. I don't know if it's like a tree that's been covered with...
Only one thing that can happen to that, and that's being burnt.
Yeah. It's really sad. How much stuff is wasted and disposed of in the ocean.
nice and heavy.
Oh, it's filled with water.
Filled with something, I don't know if it's water. It's amazing how much we are fitting in these bags, like you put in stuff like this and it just seems never ending.
It is true, it's actually fitting quite a lot in there. But it also means it's getting heavier.
Yeah, for the long walk back where we have to pick each bag up.
Yeah. Look at all those lobster pots. Someone just needs to come down with like a quad with some, like a thing on the back and just pick it all up.
Yeah.
So much rope.
We just find it really frustrating when you see the buoys in the sea as well. Like the orca went right through past Gills Bay the other day through John O'Groat. We walked past there this morning, there must have been about 18 buoys all in one area right where the orca would have swam through. It's literally just a death trap for them.
It is. It's just a long piece of rope just suspended, isn't it, in the water that can easily just get entangled in, and that would be fatal.
Everyone loves their seafood, and they probably also love the orca as well, but if they keep getting caught and entangled and dying, there won't be no orca to watch.
No.
Unfortunately.
You can't like both. So this is bag number 2. Bag number 2 is filled with mostly rope by the looks of it. So we're gonna go on to bag number 3 now. First item in bag number 3. So much.
There's Dunbeath Castle. No, it's not. What castle is it?
It's Dunbeath Castle.
Definitely not at Dunbeath, we're at Dunbeath, and that's the castle.
Duntilm's all the way up like the Isle of Skye, so it's definitely not here. The weave. Loads of plastic bottles everywhere. Loads. I think that was actually for sale. Well, we looked at it online and you've got a spare £25 million, I think. But to be fair, apart from it being a castle, I'm sure it only has about 13 bedrooms, which seems a bit small for that amount of money, but I suppose you do get this amazing view. And maybe I'm wrong with the amount of bedrooms. This is definitely the plastic bottle bag. The other one was the rope bag.
There's bottles everywhere.
Bottles everywhere. one of those. So as you can see, we've got 3 bags full. We've left one open.
We're trying to trace back.
Trying to trace back, and if we find anything, we'll pick it up on the way.
We'll try and pick it up. I don't know how much
Try and pick it up.
more we can get.
But there's just some bits here that are just too big to get for us, so they're up out of the tide line, but yeah. It sort of feels like a never-ending project, I suppose, on this beach. It'll be never-ending. Back at the van, we've got our 3 bags. Yeah, we feel a little bit defeated because of the amount of stuff that was on that beach, but I think we've done a pretty good job. It's better than not doing anything at all. And we hope this video has inspired you to go and do your own beach clean if you're near the sea or anywhere in your local area. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like this video and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you next time. Bye!
A bit.